put the USB in right here. The screen gives you options. You want to store to USB. It is going to look at the USB and figure out how much space is on it and stuff like that. Once it's ready, you have a bunch of options that you need to decide what you want to do before you actually scan. So you'll notice color scanning is on auto detect. It works. It decides if it needs to be black and white or color. Two-sided scanning would be for like a double-sided if you were putting something in the tray, but it says one-sided. That's for using the thing when it's open. So this is only for something that's printed out two-sided already, right?
Okay.
And you're putting it through there. Okay. I would then go to advanced settings, and you can make some changes to, you know, quality, file size, etc. Layout and adjustment is really good for doing the book scanning. So this is where you can do a left page, right page of a book. And you want to pick left page, then right, and click both pages and save it. Filing options allows you to name the file so that you know what it will show up as. Whoops, there's not a word. And you can also choose the file format, which is really important. So I like PDF, but if you want it to be, you know, some other kind of JPEG file or something like that, you can do that. And if there's a name conflict, it will rename it as something else. So if you already have something named as that. So then when you're ready, after you've made your presets, you're going to open this up, and you're going to choose whatever you want. You're going to set it down in the corner and press start. Now this part's very important. As it begins to scan, change it immediately from last original.
Wait, stop doing something.
What?
Wait, okay, go ahead.
You have to change it immediately from last original to, and you'll see. Let's just put it on as this. So if it can't detect the size, this will come up, and you can just select the size. But normally it will auto detect. But you want to switch it as soon as it comes up from last original to next original. If it's on last original, it's going to end there, and you can't do additional pages. So if you want to have, you know, 50 pages of a book, you have to have it on next original. And then you will continue, and you just pick this up, and you flip it to the next page, and you're going to press start, and it will scan. If it can't auto detect, it's going to ask you to pick the size of the page. Now, if you want to preview what you've scanned, you click this, and it will let you go back. And it's all messed up because I picked the wrong size, but you get the idea. And you can change settings midway through if you don't like how something's turning out with the preview. You can do that. When you're done, don't hit this until you're done scanning everything. Let's say I have one page left and I hit that, then it's going to basically end it immediately and I won't get my last scan in. So now that I've scanned everything, I can click last original, and it's going to transfer this to my USB, but I actually don't want that on my USB, so I'm going to click delete. And it will take a little while to